Hey everybody, what is going on? So we are live. It is 7 p.m. and as promised, we are going to turn around and do a full-on unboxing again tonight of both the Freddy Funkos and the Popeye Retros and the Yuletide Christmas Freddy Funko box. So first and foremost, let's, just like yesterday, take a quick look. This box was ninja kicked from UPS to USPS. This box is the Funko Shop. This is the drop. Popeyes, we do know from the last video that they had turned around and put them in the sealed containers. So hopefully those will be really, really good shape. There are some really cool... the Grail is in that one, and the Grail and the Flash Gordons are in those. This is the Yuletide box. Now this one doesn't look as bad. The cardboard was a little bit jacked up from the actual manufacturer, but actually this corner looks a little crushed. But based on everything that I've seen online, they should be okay. They were packed pretty much six deep, or 3 deep, 2 across, so they don't have a lot of movement in there. So hopefully they're going to be in really good shape. A couple things. Today was the release of the Michael Jordan Slam Dunking the Basketball, the eBay exclusive. That was only $15 plus shipping. So if you did not get one of those, I believe they're still available. Today was also the Brazilian Comic-Con exclusives. Most of the U.S. had sold out of theirs, so Funko Shop pretty much ran out within the first 20 minutes of the system going live with Funkos. The retailer exclusives, a lot of the shared, a few of the retailers still had some in stock as of about, I'd say 1 o'clock today, but I wouldn't be shocked if they're completely sold out. We did check some of our shipments. Sorry. Checked a couple shipments today. Mortal Kombat Wave 10 should be here Tuesday. Next Wednesday, the Stalker, G.I. Joe Classified, the Tomont, and the Ryu Mighty Morphin Power Ranger crossover should be here. So those are going to be some really cool new G.I. Joe and Street Fighter Power Ranger figures going live on the site. With that, let's do the NFTs first. And the reason I want to do the NFTs first is because I want to see how that Grail looks. Plus, we've already kind of done a few of these last night. And then I'm going to do the Black Friday box, and we'll crack it open. We'll do the reveal like they've been doing on Twitter, where you see the tops of the boxes. It looks like a lot of those were Funko Shop shared exclusives, so they may not be too bad in that box. We'll see. All right, so it looks like they packed the... You got 4 of them. They packed them 2x2. So there's the 2x2 with the space shippers. That's awesome. So it's going to be kind of a blind unpacking here. The first 2x2 sets. This is going to be... I really do like how these shippers protect the figures. Okay. So this is the Bluto and Flash Gordon. So we saw the Blutos yesterday. Here's the Flash. The Flash actually has like a green tint helmet on. So that's actually pretty cool. This again was another one of the legendary figures. And checking out the boxes, they actually came out really, really well. So that's cool. That's the Flash. Again, just another one of the Blutos. Check the box. There's Bluto. And packaging wise, he turned out really well. Again, very sharp corners, no dents, no dings. That means, however, that the Grail's in the next box. Alright. That means this is the Royalty and the Grail. And we saw the Royalty yesterday. So the Royalty was the Freddy Funko as Popeye. Look at this Grail. Well, here, we'll do the Freddy Funko first. So again, another Freddy Funko Royalty. That's nice. Alright. This here, though, this is the money. This is less than 800, even though it says there's 999 available. There were only 800, and I think 23 of these actually redeemed. Yeah, the light made that corner look like it was all jacked up, but it's actually not. It's just the way it reflected off the plain cardboard. That's sexy. I mean, that's just that is. Oh God, that's hot. This one right now is selling for about $330, $340 on eBay. The rest of them are doing between $120 and $140. So that is how we're going to mark them. I'm going to put them back on the website at $130 across the board, except for the Grail. The Grail is going to go up for $320, and then of course shipping. So these are going to be available tonight. As soon as we disconnect, I will take a bunch of extra photos. I will get them listed, and then it's going to be first come, first serve between whether you get it on the website or if you get it on eBay. If I get an auction price or an auction bid on eBay, then I will take it off the website. If I get a purchase on the website, I'll take it off eBay. So we will cross-list those. That was really fun to see. I was really happy about those. Being that they're the first redemptions. It's been a while since I've been like kind of excited about getting some Funkos in, so that's really cool. I really can't wait to get those sold. I've got to look to see what I've got invested in them. I know it's pretty steep, but it's not terrible. Alright, so I'm going to reveal this the way that I've been seeing it done on Twitter, and that way I can screenshot this, share it out, and then that was good. So they packed the box, all this paper, and then they put the 6-pack inside a much bigger box to keep them protected. So that's cool. Can't ever complain about extra shipping. Alright, so there is the Funko box. This is the Yuletide. This one was the superhero mystery box. From what it looked like, these were going to be Doctor Strange, a Black Widow, and then let's just see what was in there. All right. I'm not gonna complain about this so far. All right, so here we go. Here is the Twitter reveal. This one looks like it's got the Jane Foster from Thor. It's got Killmonger from Black Panther. It's got the armored, venomized Wolverine. Was that Korg from from Thor? And then I think this is a Black Adam figure. Let's see which one. Shazam. I don't know. Let's see which one this is. Let's get these out without damaging them. All right. So this was the What If Infinity Killmonger. Okay. Not terrible. I never collected the What If series. This was the Mighty Thor Jane Foster from Love and Thunder. All right. Not terrible. I mean, again, not series that I collected. Here is the Holidays Yuletide Freddy Funko, obviously being the Funko exclusive. Then the Wolverine Mech Strike Monster Hunters. So these, I believe, originally were a Walmart exclusive. I might keep that one. That one's actually really cool. Miss Marvel Red Dagger. So I watched this series. Which guy was this the? Oh, never mind. I think I know who this. This was the kid that threw the shurikens. All right, meh. And then, yeah, Korg, Love and Thunder. So nothing super spectacular in this box. Like we pretty much assumed that this was going to be an entire box. It's kind of jacked up in the corner though. With good light, you can see that it looks way worse. That's bad. Okay, so this is really what was kind of expected. Like, the idea was that, Funko was just trying to get rid of all their crap, so they threw, five crappy Funko Pops in a box, and then charged you for the Freddy Funko. Honestly, again, for $50, I'm not going to complain. I could probably sell most of these for $5-6 a piece, maybe. And then we'll see what the Yuletide Freddy goes for. I'll probably break even on the box, to be honest, but whatever. It is what it is. So yeah, that was it. I was kind of hoping that we would see at least some kind of variant. Originally, when they listed, when the first rumor of these were coming out, there were going to be a blacklight exclusive, and then apparently now it's not. So by the time they actually did the releases, it was just the superheroes, whatever. They are what they are. I mean, I'll throw these pops probably in a $5 bin and then sell the Yuletide for what I can get out of it, and hopefully I'll just break even on the box, to be honest. Yeah, and that's if I don't keep the Wolverine. I'm a big Wolf fan, so cool. So what did we talk about tonight? So we cracked open the NFT Freddy Funkos. We saw the Grail. We opened up the Yuletide box. Found pretty much what we were expecting in it. I was still kind of hoping that maybe they would have thrown a random chase in there just to kind of beef up the boxes. But hey, man, it's what it is. So again, next shipment next Wednesday should be some G.I. Joe Classified. And we'll see G.I. Joe Classified, and we will see the Mortal Kombat Wave 10. So we'll unbox those. We'll get them on the site. And then from there, we will see what new pre-orders come out. So with that, guys, I'm going to let you go. Like I said, I wasn't going to hold everybody up tonight. Last night was a really late night for me. I passed out kind of early and then was back up like 3 in the morning because I slept so early. Today, I think I'm just going to kind of chill and, relax, get this stuff listed, and then we'll call it a day. So, with that, you know the deal. Subscribe, like, follow, share. Hit us up if there's anything you're looking for. Otherwise, we will give you discounts for followers that follow us live. Keep the discussion rolling, and then take it from there. So, all right, guys. See you next video.